Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand stove and it's giving you an E9011 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it. So first of all, if you're getting this error E9011, your stove's not going to be working, and the reason it's not going to be working is because it senses that the machine is not connected properly. So what you want to do to troubleshoot this is just turn the electricity off at the circuit, and then you just want to come over. The first thing to do to get this fixed, once you've got electricity cut to it, is just check the connection, the electrical connection. And even if you don't see anything, the best thing to do is just disconnect it and reconnect it, making sure that you follow the way that it's shown in the diagram. And then turn your electricity back on and see if that doesn't get rid of the error. So anyways, I hope this video helped you at least understand what's going on. You just need to get the electronics connected properly, and your stove will be working. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.